experience still
Yes,
this
we
year,
can't wait. Really, honestly, I personally can't wait for the US market to be really fully
Yeah.
open. I have quite a number of people in the US.
Yes.
In fact, I have registered quite a number of them. I'm hoping that I'll get to come with their product when I'm coming next. So I really wish that the US market is open as quick as possible so that you can have your stuff delivered to you, you know, in your home.
Yeah, that has been promised. So, and I know the Untamed, Mr. Amir and the team, they hold on to their, you know, to their promise. So can you tell us, how was Abuja yesterday? Come on. I saw snippets, you know. How was it? I want you to take it from two perspectives. From your perspective, was it up to your expectation? Right? And like, you know, meeting other people, other partners in the business, is it an environment that you are proud? Like, I am proud to be associated with this women, with this man, right? And then the energy, oh my gosh. And then the second perspective will be from the perspective of your prospects that were there yesterday.
Okay.
What did they say? What was the experience? Because personally, I had, Lami is here. She signed up on the spot yesterday.
Wow.
That's why I'm going to have her on IG. What was it? What did it for her? There was something she saw, right?
Oh my
so
God.
Can you tell me, from your perspective and from your perspective,
how was
Abuja experience yesterday?
Abuja was magical. Abuja was magical. It was powerful. It was so powerful. I don't know who is watching. Maybe you don't know me. I forgot to introduce myself yesterday on stage. I was so carried away. I jokingly said the Spirit of the Lord is at work. You know, in me, I forgot to introduce myself. I don't know who may be watching from any part of the world. My name is Moji Alawiye. My friends call me PMA for short. I am the host of the PMA show on DSTV. It's an inspirational talk show. I am the convener Worship Experience Live Nigeria and the president Worship Experience Live USA Incorporated. For you to know my background, I have to tell you that I am not a network marketer by profession. I just want to emphasize that point, that I'm not one of those people that, oh, their mouth is sweet, they are network marketer, they are just trying to take, no. I am a gospel minister. Right. So, but starting from your last question, how was the energy in the room? Oh my goodness. I took my time. I didn't know I was going to speak when I bought my ticket to be in Abuja. No, I didn't know. It was in Lagos. I was at the airport in Lagos when Amaka called me and said, did you say you are coming to Abuja? I said, yes, I'm already in Lagos. I'm at the airport. And she told me that I'm going to speak. I bought my ticket to be there because the energy I felt on the chat room alone makes me want to meet the people. I want to meet these people. I want to know these people, hug them. You know, it was so much. And when I got there yesterday, it was so laughter. It was so much joy. It was so much energy. I was telling myself, I have not felt like this in a long while. I posted it on my wall that, see, what happened in that place yesterday, I needed it. It was therapeutic for me. It was like a place that I've always wanted to be, that I've seen in my dream, a place that I've emphasized, that I've attracted to myself. That was it yesterday. The kind of love, the kind of sharing, the kind of, you know, openness. There is no beefing. There's no trace of any toxic thing in the room. It was really, really powerful. I love that for one. And I know I was not disappointed in any way. And about my prospect, the people I invited, you know, I texted some of my guys in Lagos today and I said, see, invite as many people as possible to Lagos tomorrow. Because after yesterday's event in Abuja, I felt that I should have invited many more people. The people that I invited came to me after the event, asking and thanking me for inviting them. Everybody came and thanking me for inviting them. In fact, somebody who had been reluctant to come, I forced her to be there. She said she would spend 20 minutes and go. As she was going, I said, come and test the perfume. She was at the perfume desk testing the perfume when she met her friend. They've been together in the Bible study prayer meeting. She was, you know, how some of us Christians will be feeling like, that is not for me, that is not the pay, that's not a Christian state, that's something. But you begin to see people like you. She met people like her on the line when they were testing. She was not PMA. Thank you for asking me to come. Look at this, my lady. I've not seen her in a long while. I don't even know she could do something like this. It was an amazing experience yesterday. It was powerful. And when you talk about why the Untamed, oh my goodness, the list is endless. The list is endless. Until the world comes to an end, women will continue to like to look beautiful. There continue to be a demand for makeup products. There continue to be a demand for makeup products, and we will continue to buy. So it's either we buy to use and get paid, or we continue to buy and we don't get paid. I choose to buy this premium and get paid. I choose to look good and get paid instead of just doing that. And let me tell you something very quickly. There are 3 levels of people in this world. There are 3 types of people in this world. The movers and the shakers. The movers and the shakers. That's the one on the top of the pyramid. The second level are the gifted and the talented. The lowest of the pyramid are the ignorant and the naive. If you are listening to me today, I want to ask you, I don't know what level you are. The truth is, the movers and the shakers, they are using the gifted and the talented.
Absolutely.
Why the gifted and the talented are using the ignorant and the naive? It's not bad for you to start from where you don't know anything. Because the problem with a lot of people in network marketing, like, I don't know, I'm not in that space. I am not also in that space. I don't know anything about it. I was ignorant. It has been in my face. They started so many network marketing. I don't know. I don't want to do it. And in my face, they rose up to the top of the cadre, traveling the world. And I'm like, I should have. So you can be at the level of the ignorant and the naive, but don't stay there. Come to the level of people. Come to the second level. When you step up to the second level is the gifted and the talented. You see us dancing yesterday. I made a post. You know, I danced with a lot of people yesterday. I said, I know I'm not the best dancer in the room, but I had fun. You know, I have to step up my eyes. I have to step up and come to that level. And in every profession, we have it. We have the gifted and the talented. And until you leave that level of ignorance, you can't come to the level of gifted and talented. No way. No way. So the movers and the shakers are the people that are making things happen in this world. They are the one that are making, they are the one that control our money. They are the one that control where our money goes. That's the level I'm asking you to come up to. That's the level God wants us to be, where we are making things happen, where we are changing the narrative. That's the level God wants us to be. Don't stay there. I don't know, I'm going to convince people. Move away from that level. Come to the level of other people. If you have to lean on somebody to do it, do it. If you have to learn from somebody to do it, do it. If you have to leverage on somebody to do it, just do it. Whether leaning, doing it, whether learning, doing it, whether leveraging, doing it, just do it. This particular brand is an amazing brand. The earning plan is amazing. I didn't know much about this. I called one of my friends in Port Harcourt who has been in network marketing for many years. And this girl told me, say, hey, girl, if you see the paying plan, the earning plan of these people, this is somebody who is a network marketer. And I was like, I want to invite to come and register. I said, invite me to come and register. I am one of the people they will call before they will come to town because I am in that level. I have been to that level of the movers and the shakers in network marketing. She said, I read all their stuff. I read all the thin lines and I see the paying plan of these people is massive. And she makes some predictions for me, how much some people will make with what they are doing, and the prediction came through. And this is it, right? I'm telling you, the prediction came true. For you to know that those who have been in the network marketing system, they know these things. Some of the things we are learning, they have already learned it. They've taken the time. Some of them learned, yes. Some of them learned it on the job. They were failing and knowing it. They decided to leave that to be bottom of the cadre to say, no, I'm not going to be at this level of ignorance. I'm not going to be at this level of naive. No, I'm going to step up. Naivety is not my portion. Let me step up. When you step up to the level of, you are the level of the gifted and the talented, who are that level? Oh my God, Limi, good to see you. Learn, lean, and leverage. I love that. Lami, I love that. Write it. Yes, that's it right there. We must lean and learn before we can leverage. That's it right there. That's it right there. You just have somebody to lean on. And that's the direction of my talk tomorrow in Lagos. And if anybody is here and you are around Lagos, please don't miss it. I've been sending the flyers out. Don't miss Lagos. You need to be in an environment of people that makes you, feel great on your inside, makes you feel comfortable in your skin. That's it. That's it. Oh my goodness. I don't want to keep talking.
Awesome. That is amazing. That is amazing. You know, that is one thing